Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, Miss.
Good morning. Okay. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
I hope to. Okay. So, Pasha, please lead the pray before we start our class today.
Before we start, let's pray. Miss, greeting to our teacher. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Selamat pagi, Miss.
Good morning, all. Okay. Sebelum kita mulai, let me check the absence.
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah. Okay, thank you for coming today to our class. Before we continue, Jian, what we have learned the last meeting?
Minggu lalu kita belajar desain notice tentang cara membuat, mendesain membuat notice untuk digunakan.
Okay, let's play the game. Do you want to play the game?
Mau.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So,
Sudah, Miss.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ceng, 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 ceng. Ayo, warna apa kira-kira ini?
F.
Huruf apa dulu nih? F, U,
C, H, I.
C, H, I. Salah. S,
I, A.
I, A. Oh, really good. Next.
Orange.
Orange.
Ayo, gimana? Tulisnya gimana?
O.
N. Cian.
Cian, tulisannya gimana, nak?
C, Y, A, N.
C, Y, A, N. Really good. Udah ya, education while playing game. Kalian bisa dapat pembelajaran ketika bermain game. This is the time for presentation. Are you ready for it? Waktunya presentasi. Siap? Okay. How to present. Jadi bagaimana caranya? The first time, I will share screen. Share screen.
I make this notice.
Ya, Mal.
Notice keep the door closed. I made this notice because whenever someone get to my room to close the door again.
This notice is suitable for your bedroom, bedroom door.
Yes.
Is it true? Okay.
Oh ya. Dilarang merusak tanaman. No damage to plants in this area. Miss. Dilarang merusak tanaman di area ini. I make this notice because in my yard there are many plants. Saya membuat pengetahuan ini karena di halaman rumah saya banyak tanaman, Miss. So, it must be careful and guarded. It should not be damaged. Jadi harus dirawat dan dijaga, tidak boleh dirusak, Miss. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, thank you. You like your plants, right? Dara menyukai tanaman-tanaman Dara ya?
Iya, Miss.
Better make this notice ya. Kamu sebaiknya bikin notice ini ya, biar orang-orang tahu to taking care of your plants. So there is no damage, nggak ada kerusakan. Okay, thank you, Dara.
The children who play often should get carelessly. Tolong jangan buang sampah di depan rumah. Notifikasi ini saya buat karena di depan rumah saya banyak anak-anak yang main. Dan kalau misalnya main tuh, Miss, mereka sering banget buang sampah depan rumah, Miss. Kalau misalnya ada tempat sampah juga, itu pun mereka buangnya asal buang aja, nggak pernah dilihat itu masuk apa enggak.
Nih.
Depan rumah, Miss, intinya, Miss. Kan rumah saya kan tingkat, Miss, rusun. Jadi di depan rumah saya itu ada anak kecil. Dan dia sama teman-temannya tuh sering main FF nih di depan. Dan kalau misalnya mereka jajan itu buangnya pasti nggak pernah masuk tempat sampah nih.
Okay, really good ya. So everybody can see it. Okay, everybody can see it. Nanti nak, just for your advice, untuk nasihat aja. Ini notice-nya tulisannya agak diperbesar and don't make it wide.
The notice what I made is please tidy up the shoe after wearing. Itu artinya kayak tolong rapiin sepatu kalau udah dipakai. I make this notice because my family or someone always put shoes carelessly.
So your house is messy with a shoes, with the shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think this is good for your house? Kita, if you want to print this notice, kalau mau di print, please make it more contrast. The color is contrast. The color of the letter, warna tulisannya itu contrast. So everybody can see it really well.
I make this notice because in my house there is shop and we must reminding people to keep their hand clean.
Oh, really good. Nazwa, please read the notice first. Tolong dibaca dulu notisnya, baru jelasin ya, nak ya. Coba ulang. Let's go.
Keep your hand clean by using hand sanitizer, which is
Oke, Miss bantu ya. Keep your hands clean by using hand sanitizer, which is available. Yuk, silakan.
Keep your hand clean by using hand sanitizer, which is available. Karena di rumah saya ada toko kecil-kecilan, Miss. Dan sekarang lagi pandemi, supaya untuk memutus mata rantai COVID, kita harus jaga.
Yo.
I make notice warning, be careful, lots of kids. I make this notice because in this area a lot of children of the street and it's dangerous to play on the street. So that's why I made this notice. Di rumah saya rame-rame anak kecil gitu, Miss. I make notice because in this area a lot of children on the street and it's dangerous to play on the street. So that's why I made this notice, Miss. Jadi di rumah saya banyak anak kecil main di jalanan gitu.
Okay, so the street is a busy street. Jalanannya jalanan sibuk apa jalanan komplek? Apa jalanan gimana?
Komplek tapi rame, Miss.
Oh, okay. So it's dangerous ya for children to play ya?
Ya, Miss.
Okay. Pasha, don't forget to make it real ya. Okay, Salwa, please continue.
The reason I made the notice is because my family, environment that wastes water. So don't be surprised when you pay the electricity bill. The price of the bill is very expensive than usual. I hope my family cover the water and use water sparingly.
Salwa, you are clever, but can you do it slowly? Because your friend isn't clearly hear you, karena teman-teman kamu tuh nggak jelas dengernya. Slowly, why you make this notice? What is your notice, Salwa? Please close the water
if you sing it.
Oh, okay. Please close the water if you done. Nanti dibetulkan ya, tambahkan dan ya. Kalau kamu setelah selesai memakainya. Oke, nah, ayo continue.
Kenapa, Miss?
Lanjutkan. Tadi pelan-pelan ya, explanation-nya ya.
The reason I make the notice because my family, environments that wastes water. So don't be surprised when you pay the electricity bill. The price of the bill is very expensive than usual. I hope my family cover the water and use water sparingly.
Okay, so everybody in your house is spend the water ya.
Iya.
Too much water to be
Iya.
spent. Okay. For you to put the notice, where is the best place buat kamu notice-nya?
Menurut saya di toilet, karena kan di toilet itu ada sumur. Jadi kalau misalnya orang mau menggunakan air atau menyalakan air, jadi orang bisa lihat notis yang saya buat. Kalau kita harus berhemat tentang air.
Oh, really good. Do you have a sink at your house? Punya wastafel di rumah nak? Oke, you better put on the sink too ya. Kamu lebih baik juga taruh di wastafel juga ya.
Iya.
Oke, every place that have yang ada kerannya, yang ada sumber airnya.
Iya.
Oke, thank you. Last one, time is yours. Waktunya milikmu, silakan.
Notice, please pledge your goods back when complete. I make this notice because my sister always left her goods in the trash. Yeah, Miss.
Thank you. Thank you everybody for having a really good presentation, and I think all of you already get the meaning, already get the purpose of notice. Thank you for our process in learning notice. So, because notice is already done, karena notice sudah selesai kita pelajari, you today have the daily examination. The link, I will share the link on the WhatsApp group. Wait a moment, let's see. Sudah masuk, sudah silakan dilihat dan dikerjakan. 10 minutes. Sudah? Very good. Kita lihat. Pak Nazwa dan Dara dapat 100, sisanya dapat 9. Karena soalnya hanya 10, berarti salahnya cuma 1 ya. Kita cek yang mana yang salah. Oh, salahnya di number ini. Avoid the edge of the sea atau play carefully near the edge. Ini yang salah ini, jawabannya adalah main hati-hati di pinggir laut. Jangan, tetap aja jawabannya adalah avoid the edge of the sea. Okay, your score is really good. Thank you. And this is the end of notice text. Ini adalah pertemuan terakhir dari pembelajaran notice. Because the next meeting we will have another material. Materi kita akan diganti, bukan notice lagi. Notice is done. Ya, oke. Karena mau notice sudah done, Jovita, please tell me what do you know about the notice? Tolong kasih tahu Miss apa yang kamu tahu tentang notice dari pelajaran kita. Just tell me. Kasih tau aja dalam bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa. If you can in English, that's more better.
Notice itu kayak bisa jadi perintah, larangan, atau kayak saran atau petunjuk buat ngelakuin sesuatu atau jangan ngelakuin sesuatu.
Notice itu sama kayak kata perintah gitu bisa, Miss, untuk memberitahuin orang-orang gitu.
Oke, thank you Tasya. Yunika.
Yeah, Miss.
So what do you think?
Notice itu kayak buat pemberitahuan, melarang sama cuman itu dong, Miss.
Oke, you better it again ya, Yunika ya. Ini Yunika nih kebiasaan nih. Oke, Jian, thank you Yunika. Jian, your turn. Sudah? Terima kasih Jian. Salwa.
Menurut saya notice itu bisa jadi petunjuk atau peraturan sebelum melakukan sesuatu. Kadang kita kan nggak tahu ada bahaya apa yang akan datang gitu, karena kalau kita nggak lihat aturannya. Jadi menurut saya notice itu bisa jadi aturan, bisa jadi petunjuk.
Oke, thank you Salwa. Dara.
Ya, Miss. Notice itu pemberitahuan untuk melakukan sesuatu atau tidak melakukan sesuatu. Kayak perintah, informasi kayak larangan gitu. Kayak larangan gitu, Miss. Kayak command information sama prohibition gitu. Terus contohnya kayak no smoking, no swimming, atau CCTV bisa. Information.
Oh, thank you. Really good. Siapa yang belum? Kayaknya ada satu yang belum, yaitu Nazwa. Oke, Nazwa?
Itu simbol, Miss, buat menginformasikan atau menginstruksikan, Miss, yang dilarang ataupun yang diharuskan.
Oke, Nazwa, thank you so much. Tapi Nazwa, where is your face? Kemana kameranya? Understanding about notice, kalian sudah mengerti tentang notice. Even kalian bisa ngasih tahu ke Miss what is notice, ya. Oke, so For the next meeting, we will have another material except notice karena kita sudah mengatur tentang notice. Thank you for our class today. So please, Pasha, lead the prayer.
Before we end this lesson, we should pray first. Thank to our teacher. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Sama-sama. Terima kasih anak-anak. Sehat selalu ya. Tetap bertahan di rumah. Tetap bertahan di rumah because our environment is now in danger situation ya. Karena lingkungan kita sedang dalam keadaan genting. Jadi jangan main kalau tidak penting ya. Kita bisa main pakai Educandy seperti tadi atau hal-hal lainnya. Oke? Thank you for today. Have a good day. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye-bye, student. Thank you for your attention.
Have a good day, Miss.
Yeah, have a good day, Nana.